Hey everyone, welcome back to Zira. In today's video, I will take you through how you can conduct your daily rounds and inspections on your ammonia compressors using our platform. Easily keep track of your compressor's runtime, pressure, temperature, and much more. In this video, we will submit our daily rounds for our ammonia compressors using a digital form, trigger a corrective action if there's an oil leak reported, and then analyze and visualize those trends using our dashboard. So we are a facilities technician starting our day with our compressor inspections. We can go to our forms tab. We can simply search for the form we need in Zira, or we can scan the QR code that may be posted on your machine, which would bring you directly to the form. So to start our day, let's conduct our daily rounds for our 4 compressors. If we click here, we can begin to fill out our ammonia compressor daily rounds form that's actually built from a template on Zira that is available to all of our users. So let's go ahead and fill out the form for our first compressor. Let's say that our compressor is running. Let's say it's been running for 2 hours and the pressure is at 43 PSI. You can see that in our form, it also has embedded messages that pop up when our input number, like our PSI, is out of bounds. This is useful and can tell your team when your machine is not acting in the certain range that you would like it to. So let's go ahead and fill out our digital form for our 4 compressors. Now, let's say we are a facilities manager who comes in for the day and we go to our posts. We can see that one of our facilities technicians found an oil leak when they are inspecting the first compressor. We can see that an alert has been sent, but also a task has been made for one of our team members to clean up the oil leakage and fix the leak. When a form is filled out on Zira, if a problem is detected or specs are out of bounds, an alert and trigger is sent by email, push notification, and finally posted on Zira. If we go to our task manager, this is where as a manager we can assign, set due dates, and see time spent on one specific task. So as a manager, we can understand the progress being made by different team members. Now, let's fast forward to the end of the week as a facilities manager. Now, we don't have a stack of inspection papers to file away because they've all been digitized and available on Zira. Instead, I can go to the compressor inspection dashboard that will show me all the trends and KPIs from the data team collected during the week, like our load percentage per our compressor, and even a time chart to see the trend throughout the week. With Zira's dashboard and digital forms, we make it easy for any facility manager or technician to quickly look for outliers and machines that might be trending in the wrong direction. Thanks for watching.